Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this bills payment and invoicing platform called Melio. So let's dive into it. Talking about Melio is designed to make bills payment and invoicing as simple as possible, and in 2025 it continues to stand out as one of the most user-friendly account payable solution. Some of its biggest strengths include free ACH transfer, the ability to pay vendor by credit card even if they don't accept cards, and smooth integration with QuickBooks and Xero. Its clean interface, invoice automation, and bulk payment scheduling make it a time saver for small and mid-sized business. Pros like flexible payment options, strong vendor management, and cost-effective ACH processing gives Melio a big edge for companies looking to streamline cash flow without high fees. However, Melio isn't perfect. On the downside, many users report glitches with QuickBooks synchronization, delay, payment, and occasional bugs when handling multiple invoices. Customer support is another weak spot, as while reps are helpful, response time can be slow for urgent issues. It also lacks advanced features like in-depth reporting and full accounting tools, making it less suitable for larger business with complex needs. And that's it.